If someone handed you $100 bill right now, you'd trust it. You'd spend it. You wouldn't question it. But what if I told you that bill is only valuable because everyone agrees it is? There's no gold backing it. No real asset behind it. Just trust. Now what if there was a new kind of money, one that didn't need a government, a bank, or anyone's permission to work? That's exactly what cryptocurrency is. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand it better than most people on the planet. Welcome back to Gentle Crypto School. I'm glad you're here. Let's start with the most basic question. What is money? Money is simply a tool we use to exchange value. Instead of trading your chicken for my rice, we both agree that this paper, or these numbers in a bank account, represent value. Simple. But here's the problem with traditional money. Someone controls it. A government can print more of it. A bank can freeze your account. A payment company can block your transaction. You don't really own your money. You have permission to use it. Now enter cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is digital money that runs on a technology called the blockchain. It has no central authority. No single bank controls it. No government can print more of it whenever they feel like it. It belongs to the network, which means it belongs to everyone and no one at the same time. The word crypto comes from cryptography, which is a fancy word for secret codes that keep information secure. Every transaction made with cryptocurrency is protected by these codes. That's what makes it safe. Now let me give you a simple example to make this crystal clear. Imagine you want to send money to a friend in another country. With a bank, you fill out forms, pay fees, wait 3 to 5 business days, and pray nothing goes wrong. With cryptocurrency, you open your phone, type in their wallet address, hit send, and within minutes, sometimes seconds, the money arrives. No middleman, no permission needed, no crazy fees. That's the power of crypto. But here's what most people get wrong. They think cryptocurrency is just one thing, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is actually just the first and most famous cryptocurrency. Today there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies, each built for a different purpose. Some are built for payments. Some are built for running programs. Some are built to hold a stable value. We're going to cover all of them on this channel. So to summarize, cryptocurrency is digital money that is secure, decentralized, and borderless. It gives financial power back to regular people. And whether you believe it's the future or not, understanding it is no longer optional. Because this technology is already changing the world. In the next video, we're going to go even deeper. We're going to look at the history of money and how Bitcoin was born, because once you understand where it came from, everything about crypto starts to make more sense. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe. Every like tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it, and that's how we build this school together. See you in the next class.